Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of this insulated travel carrying case that serves as a cooler, and it's insulated to keep things warm. This company here sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you do a little overview? I don't think people have a full appreciation for these, but no way whatsoever will this be provided to me. I picked this review because I'm just here to keep it real. When it comes to camping, hitting the beach, or any kind of travel, this thing does just about everything you might need in those situations. The inside of this is covered by 8mm thick insulation. Now that's going to keep it either warm or cold. This is rated at holding up to an astounding 48 12-ounce cans packed full of all the ice needed to keep it nice and cold. From an example standpoint of how much volume this thing will hold, we have a 1-gallon jug, another 1-gallon jug, a half-gallon jug, and another half-gallon jug. You can see here the insulation here, it is all completely, I would say waterproof, leak-proof if you keep it upright for sure. When it's turned, let's just say upside down, you probably wouldn't want to do that. It definitely could leak. These zippers here create a very tight seal, as you can see right there. I can barely even see the gap. It's right there. So if you're traveling and there's a concern of this, maybe leaking water from the melting ice, that's not a big concern, especially the way this is constructed. So on the bottom here, it's framed in. So you not only have these, I would say industrial size, almost like travel size for, like if you were using luggage, that type of wheel, very durable. I mean, surprisingly durable for a mobile cooler, very similar to a nice set of luggage. And then it's all framed in here. So this is all framed with supports. So once it's sitting, it's not going to go anywhere. Very similar to luggage, it has this collapsible handle that goes all the way up and down. Kind of give you an idea of the length from the top down, right at about 34.5 inches from the very tippy top of the handle to the bottom there. Once it's completely collapsed, the height on it is down to about 17 inches. The width this way is right at about, from the handle out, is about 13 inches. Again, about 14 inches this way. So it kind of gives you an idea from a size standpoint. It's very light in weight, obviously when there's nothing in it. It has a variety of different ways you can carry this. So obviously, the main point on this is you can roll it around and have that to be able to kind of pull around. It also has two built-in carrying handles right here, two built-in carrying handles. So if you're trying to pick this up in somewhere where rolling it may not make sense, you definitely can get a good grip right here. And these are sewn in there very, very well, as you can see. A padded over the shoulder. On the top here, you can put towels or anything else you want to kind of put from external storage. You also have some mesh pockets on the side that span the whole width. To create additional storage, you have this non-insulated section here that zips up, so you don't have to have everything in with what's going on inside here. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you have about this mobile cooler, and we'll talk to you soon.